is Mr. Dhanave. My mother name is Mrs. Ayyamma. Today I am going to speak about Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was a freedom fighter and great politician of India. He was born on 4th September 1825 in Estevan, Mumbai. Dadabhai Naoroji is also known as the Great Old Man of India. Naoroji was a co-founder of the Indian National Congress. He was the president of the Congress Party in 1886, 1893 and 1906. He was president of the Congress Party in 1886, 1893 and 1906. He worked as an ambassador of India. Naoroji was a mathematics professor at Elphinstone College. He was also a strong proponent of the